Hello, guys. I'm Andy. I figured I would do a video on the cylinder 6 misfire code that people keep getting in their vehicles. Um, and explain what a cylinder 6 misfire code is. It's basically when the air fuel mixture inside your intake fails to ignite due to a failed plug, a failed wire, a failed coil pack, a failed injector, a failed fuel filter, dirty fuel, an air leak. I mean, there's many things that cause a cylinder 6 misfire. And for people that don't know, it could be a cylinder 6, it could be a cylinder 2, it could be multiple cylinders that are misfiring on the code. Now, you can get on Google here, just like anybody else, or watch a YouTube video, and it'll tell you what the cylinder 6 misfire code looks like and the steps. Basically, I done already broke it down. Step 1, replace spark plug wires and spark plugs. Step 2, replace ignition coil packs. Step 3, do the fuel injectors. Just a step-by-step guide. But that ain't what I want to talk to you guys about. I went through each one of these steps. Okay? Kept getting the code. All but the fuel injector. Okay, I got to step 3 on my truck. Now, everybody else, you might have different problems. Yours might actually be a bad plug or a bad wire. But there's one quick, easy way to get that fixed and not cost you $400 or $500 or $200 or $300 or whatever you spend on coil packs, wires, and plugs. Clean the fuel injector. That's it. Let's see if I can get a diagram. Images. Alright. As you can see, on V8 5.3. Alright. This diagram here shows you how the cylinders line up with my motor. Cylinder 6 is the misfire code. So that's the cylinder I would focus on for the misfire code. Okay? So that's the only injector I have to clean. Believe me, people, it works. I popped the fuel injector off my fuel rail and took it in and cleaned it with some warm ass water and a couple Q-tips. Popped it back on, fixed the misfire code. That was after I bought the coil packs, after I bought fresh wires and plugs. All I had to do was simply clean the injector for that cylinder. So I wanted to get that out there and let people know that if you get a misfire code in your engine, take the time out. It takes 10-15 minutes to remove your engine cover, that little plastic cover on top of the engine. It'll expose the fuel lines and the fuel rails. Those fuel rails literally just pop out. There's like 2 bolts holding each one down on the side of your motor on top. Loosen those 2 bolts, pop up those rails, and depending on what motor, if you got a V6, then you're only going to have 6 cylinders. If you got a V8, you're going to have 8 cylinders. So it'll be 4 on one side, 4 on the other, like it shows in the diagram. You pop fuel rails up, and there's a clip that holds each injector in. You got to pull that clip out, and you can pop it out. It's that simple. Take it in, give it a good cleaning, pop it back on, make sure that the seals on the injectors, there's 2 of them, the top seal and the bottom seal, make sure those seals aren't melted, aren't torn, aren't worn out. If they're still good, just pop it back together, start your engine, and you should be good. 100%. Alright, so let me know what you think. Comment, like, whatever. Hopefully I saved you guys some money. Have a good day.